Bluehost affiliate program application guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to make passive income online, one of the best ways is through affiliate marketing. And today, I'm walking you through step-by-step process on how you can join the Bluehost affiliate program. So in this video, we'll cover how to sign up, the commission structure so you will be aware of, pro tips to start earning, and how to promote your link effectively. So whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, freelancer, or even a complete beginner, this guide is for you. Now all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, the first thing that we have to talk about on what is Bluehost affiliate program. So let's start with the basics right here. Bluehost is one of the most trusted web hosting companies, powering millions of websites globally. The Bluehost affiliate program allows you to earn commissions by referring people to their hosting plans. Every time someone clicks your unique affiliate link and purchases hosting, you get paid for up to $65, sometimes more with performance bonuses. This makes it a top choice for affiliate marketers in the blogging, business, and tech niches. And so how to sign up with the affiliate program. So to get started, you just want to navigate through the bluehost.com-affiliates. So from here, you just want to go through the Bluehost website and scroll through the footer or the header of the page. And from here, you just want to click on the join now or the sign up button. Now, you will then be redirected into this page right here. This is basically sign up or impact.com. So basically, to start the process, you just have to click on the sign up button. Now, if you want to go ahead and change the language of the contract terms right here, you can just click on this flag at the top right corner of your screen. And you also want to make sure that you have agreed to the terms contract or the terms and agreement for Bluehost. So after making sure that you have to understand everything in this page, just click on the accept button. And right after that, we then have to simply create an account on impact.com using our email, an Apple account, Facebook, Google, Twitter or X, and lastly LinkedIn. In my case, I'm going to use one of my Google accounts right here. So I'll just navigate through my Google account, choose the Google account that I want to simply use, and from there, we have to go ahead and fill out our information or fill out our profile. So in here, it's as simple as entering your first name, last name, your mobile number, and finally, you then have to go ahead and click on the Get Started button. Now, you must enter a valid mobile number before you proceed on the registration right here. So I'll just click on the Get Started button, and from there, you then have to enter the code that have been sent to you on the email that you have used. And simply right after, we then have to go ahead and categorize our business. So from here, you then want to choose your audience. So what they are, what type of content that you go ahead and create. So for example, if you're something like a YouTuber or a social media influencer out there, you then want to choose social media right here. Now there's a small description about each category. If you're something about technology solutions, maybe you provide innovative technological solutions that enhance the customer experience, or something like network search comparison and more. In my case, just to make everything easier, I'll go ahead and select social media influencer right here. Click on the continue button, and right after that, you then want to enter your promotional platform. So for example, if you want to go ahead and promote your affiliate link through your website, you can just add your website right here. You can also add your socials like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, and more. Now, we also have podcasts if you have one, a mobile application, an email or newsletter, and lastly, an offline. In my case, I'm just going to use my Pinterest account as an example. Now take note that you want to go ahead and put a social media account that have some followers in order to go ahead and get approved better on Impact or on the affiliate program. So since this is only an example, I'll just navigate through the next button, and from here you then have to enter your information about yourself. So I'll just navigate through the options right here, and simply right after filling everything up, you then have to wait for around 1 to 3 business days in order to get approved for the affiliate program right here. And that's it on how to go ahead and apply or submit your application on the affiliate program. You can just go ahead and make sure that you have submitted the correct information in order to have a higher chance of getting accepted. From there, let's talk about commissions, payout, and terms. And so let's talk money. The commission rate starts around $65 per sale. If you refer high volume, it can go up for up to $100 plus per sale. Now the payout method is via PayPal or bank transfer through the Impact website, and the payout frequency is monthly. You'll get paid around 45 to 60 days after each qualified sale. Now the cookie window is 30 days. So if someone clicks and buys within 30 days, you will get the credit. Now as a pro tip, you want to go ahead and use your affiliate dashboard to track your clicks, conversions, and payouts in real time. From there, let's go ahead and talk about on what not to do on the affiliate program. So there are a few things to avoid. First is you don't want to spam your links in forums or comments. You don't want to use misleading claims or force people to sign up. You don't bid on branded terms like Bluehost and paid ads that could simply get you banned. You always want to follow the Bluehost and Impact affiliate guidelines. From there, who should go ahead and join this program? This program is perfect for bloggers and influencers, YouTubers with tutorials or tech channels, online business coaches, freelancers helping clients build their website, and anyone in the make money online niche. So you don't need to be an expert, you just need to be consistent and provide some value. And so that's everything you need to know on how you can get started with the Bluehost affiliate program. We have discovered or tackle the sign up process, the getting approved, you can start promoting, and you can earn commissions. And so if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more affiliate marketing tips. Once again, you can just visit bluehost.com/affiliates to simply submit your application on their affiliate program. And lastly, once again, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below. So if you want to help out, you can just go ahead and check the links. So you can just drop your comments or your questions in the comments below, and I'll try to respond to them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next review or video.